Over here at the Desi house, and this is what it looks like right now. They're redoing the whole thing. You can see there's the sign, Desi, and they're completely redoing the whole house. You can see the garage and the wine. Guess they got the air conditioning, they have bathrooms set up in here. This is the neighborhood. I'm here in their parking lot. This is the view from his house. Of course, this isn't where he lived before. He lived in Corona. But this is the current location. And this is what you see in the same area. It says right here, the Desi House, Home and Garden Project, Phase 1 is 91.5 thousand square feet. So 91,000 square feet. Here's the view of his backyard, or the Desi house backyard. You can see that they're, you can see through the gate. They're doing a lot to it. It looks like a massive park. It's nice. They got almost like a gazebo back there. Let's see if I can see that house. There you go. Two gazebos. And one last look around. You can see the house, backyard. Again, this location was moved. So it was originally off of in Corona. We're in Eastvale, so they moved the house like 7-8 miles, took it apart in pieces, and then reassembled it. The current owner, or former owner who owned the land, moved it over here. So as you can see here, here's the fence. There's the sign. So there you go. This is February 2021, and you can see the current view of the Desi house. So thank you for watching. This is Eric with Eric C Productions. And if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos, please subscribe, make a comment, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.